In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Figma to PDF. If you need a clean, shareable file for clients, teammates, or printing, exporting as a PDF is the simplest, most reliable way to preserve crisp vectors and consistent layout. I'll walk you through the exact flow, keep it clear, and add a few helpful notes so you know what to expect. To start, make sure you're looking at the frame you want to export. In Figma, a frame is the container that defines the boundaries of your design. Think of it like your artboard. Click directly on the frame on the canvas so it's highlighted. You should see a clear outline around it and its name in the right sidebar. If you accidentally select a group or a single layer, the export won't match your full design area, so confirm you've got the frame itself selected before moving on. With the frame selected, look to the right-hand sidebar and find the export section near the bottom. Click on Export to reveal the export settings for your selection. If the panel looks collapsed or empty, it almost always means nothing valid is selected, so take a second glance at the canvas to ensure the frame is active. Once the export panel is open for your frame, you'll see the format control and related options. Now, make sure the format is set to PDF. In the format dropdown, you might see PNG or JPG by default. Switch that to PDF. Choosing PDF keeps text and vector shapes sharp at any size, which is perfect for presentations and print. This setting doesn't change your design. It only affects how the file is generated. You don't need to tweak scale for a typical export because PDF preserves the frame's exact dimensions, and transparency isn't an issue since PDFs handle complex shapes and type very well. When everything looks right, click Export Frame. Your system will prompt you to choose a location and a file name. Confirm the details and save. Figma will generate the PDF from the selected frame and place it where you chose. After it finishes, it's a good idea to open the PDF to quickly review that all text, icons, and colors appear as expected. PDFs from Figma generally remain vector-based, so lines and type should look crisp at any zoom level. And that's all there is to it. Select your frame, open the export panel, set the format to PDF, and click Export Frame. You now have a reliable, professional PDF of your design ready to share or print.